I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sign up for a Google account. It's a straightforward process that opens up a world of Google services. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Google account creation page. Look for the prominent Create Account button and click it to start. Then, select the option for My Personal Use to proceed with setting up your individual account. Next, you'll need to enter some basic personal information. Start by typing your first name and your last name into the respective boxes. Then, choose a unique username. This will become your new Gmail address, so pick something memorable. If your preferred username is already in use, Google will offer several alternative suggestions for you to consider. Security is paramount, so now it's time to create a strong password. Aim for a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols to make it robust. Re-enter your chosen password to confirm it matches. Additionally, provide a recovery phone number or an alternative email address. This information is crucial for regaining access if you ever forget your password. Finally, take a moment to review Google's privacy policy and terms of service. It's important to understand how your data is handled and the conditions of using their services. Once you've read through them, click the I agree button to accept. Congratulations! Your new Google account is now successfully created and ready for you to explore all the fantastic Google applications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.